Hello everybody. Do you know 0.8 to 1% of accidental death are because of electrical burns? On each and every year, the thousands of people in United States are died because of electrical burns with a mortality rate of 3 to 15% each and every year. So how we can save these all lives? So we have to follow some rule to prevent the electrical injuries, because we all know the prevention is better than the cure. So let's get started.
First is avoid being out in a lightning storm. Remember, when thunder roars, go indoors. Find a safe and enclosed shelter. Lightning can cause electric current on the top of the ground that can be deadly over 100 feet away.
Never run a power extension cord under a carpet or rug because it can get overheat, especially when the wire inside begins to break down.
Keep flammable materials away from electronic devices, in homes or in laboratories, as electronic devices produces heat and can serve as a source of ignition for flammable or explosive vapors. If our electrical appliances produces spark or gives you a shock when using, have it repaired as soon as possible.
Electrical burns at workplace can be prevented by following some few tips like unplugging or switching off the electrical appliances when not in use, and to turn off all the appliances at the end of the day.
Do not use electrical appliances near the water or standing water, especially when you are using electrical appliances in kitchen, in swimming area. Water is a good conductor of electricity and it may cause the electrical burns.
Is to keep electrical cords out of reach of children. The next is electrical installation condition report. It is a periodic inspection report on this property's safety relating to its fixed wiring. It is also known as the landlord safety test or the home buyers test. It is highly recommended to be carried out every 10 years of the household. If we are the tenant, it is always good to ask the landlord for this report to make sure that the house is safe and to prevent the house from any electrical burn.
Electrical burn can be prevented by replacing or repairing the frayed end on electrical wire, because it can cause further fire. A small wire, we can use the electrical tape.
Stop direct contact with the electric sockets and use proper insulated items to touch the electric sockets. Avoid using metallic objects while touching the electric sockets, or don't use your bare hands. Use proper insulated items to touch the metallic socket.
Extension cords used only for temporary basis. Don't overload your circuit.